What's up guys, it's Lisa from In the Know, and today I'm going to be testing a beauty hack I saw on TikTok that claims to give you the perfect winged eyeliner. Getting them to look symmetrical is incredibly difficult, which is why I'm hoping this hack will make it less of a struggle. Alright, let's get to it. So according to TikTok, all you need is a bobby pin and your favorite liquid eyeliner. First, coat the open-ended side of the bobby pin with the eyeliner. Then angle the bobby pin and press it against the corner of your eyes like a stamp. Once you have a rough outline, you can fill it in. I like to add mascara to my look. Here are the results. Okay, I will admit that winged eyeliner is not my go-to look, but this hack changes the game. I can't reiterate enough how easy this was. Liquid eyeliner tends to get really messy, but the bobby pin did half of the work for me. I'm impressed. It's definitely a skill that comes in handy. I can't wait for you to try it. Thanks for watching.